So hello everyone, welcome to this new problem on Euclid division lemma. So what they have said in this question, show that n square minus 1 is divisible by 8, okay, 8, if n is an odd positive integer, okay. So do comment, how many of you are thinking that since they have said it is divisible by 8, so let's do this one by 8, by taking 8 as divisor. How many of you are thinking this one? Do comment, okay. But actually you can do this one by 8, but it will be a huge problem, okay. It will become too long, but it will be an unnecessary one. So my suggestion to you is take the better one, that is 4. So divide n by 4. So why you are thinking 4? Because there is something given called n square minus 1. Have you noticed this one? This is n square minus 1. Since they have given n square minus 1, and we have seen in a previous sum that while taking dividing by 4 and taking taking 4 common by doing 4 square, there's something coming 8, okay. So you can use that concept. Are you guys getting confused what I am saying? Wait, let me explain to you clearly. Come. So the first step is don't use 8, instead use 4, okay. So let n be any positive integer, okay. So dividing n by 4, that means 4 is the divisor, so dividing n by 4, so this is given, so let q be the quotient and r be the remainder. Now, since we have divided by 4, then from Euclid division lemma, 0 less than equal to r less than 4, not equal to, less than 4. That means the value of r is 0, 1, 2, 3. Now in question they have said that odd integer, any odd positive integer. Since they have said odd positive integer, so if we put r is equal to 0, it will become even because 4q, it is divided by 2. If you put r is equal to 1, then it is odd because 4q plus 1 is not divisible by 2. And if we divide 4q plus 1 by 2, we will get 1 as remainder. That means it is odd. Similarly, 4q plus 2, it is even. 4q plus 3, this one is again odd, okay. So we will work with 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3, okay. So we will work with n equal to 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. Now, in question they have said n square minus 1. So let's design this one as n square minus 1 format, okay. So let's do the square first. So if we do n square, then 16q square plus 8q plus 1. We are doing this one, okay. So this one came. So since they have said divisible by 8, so let's take n common, okay, and keep 1 outside the bracket, okay. Why? I will say later, okay. So take n common, then 2q square plus q plus 1, okay. Now n square equal to 8p plus 1. So let's take this one 2q square plus q. Let's consider p as 2q square plus q. So replace this one as p. Now subtract both left hand side and right hand side by minus, means subtract both sides by 1. That means n square minus 1 is equal to 8p plus 1 minus 1. This plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled out. Then what we will get? N square minus 1 is equal to 8p. This means this one is n square minus 1 is divisible by 8. Understood? Similarly, 4q plus 3. Let's try with this one. Now 4q plus 3. So 16q square plus 24q plus. For better understanding, I am splitting 9 and writing 8 plus 1, and 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 8 plus 1. Okay, so take 8 as common, then we will get 2q square plus 8 3q plus 1 plus 1. So if you consider this one as p, then 8p plus 1, that means n square is equal to 8p plus 1. Now subtract minus 1 both sides. N square minus 1 is equal to 8p, then plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled out, so we will remain at 8p. That means n square minus 1 is equal to 8p again. So what can we conclude from this one? Since they have given this divisible by 8, so don't do this one with 8. Instead, do this one with 4, because you will get the result very easily and in short time, because in this time, the time is very important in solving these problems. It will take too much time. Okay, so in this type of question, since it is divisible by n, it is given n square. So if we take 4 square, we will get 16. From here we can easily take 8 common. How? Because 4 square 16, then 2ab, 2a is given already 4, something like 4q. From there we can easily get 8. Okay, so this format will easily come. So just mind it, this one. If they have given n square minus 1 and divisible by 8, do this one directly with 4. Okay, and division lemma is there only. Okay, thank you everyone.